Alright, we got the decathlon out. Don't know if that's a mistake or not, but we're going to find out. Seemed to balance alright. I have 6S6200 in it this time. 2 3S in series. Umi Chinaline 60C. 2 of them in series. Alright, I'll put the camera in the hat. Hat on the head. Check the surfaces. And then let's put it in there. Gets in the tail, alright. That's only quarter throttle-ish. That's full. Oh, into the sun, of course. Really knows heavy, that 6S in it. Under the sun. We're just trimming right now. It's fine, good. Clean it a bit. It just cruising around a half, which would be full with the 5S in it. Oh, pretty soft. I hit the yardar. I was trimming it the wrong way for a second there. Get it away from the sun. Oh, big vulture. Big loops with these now. Rolls with these. Under the sun. That was a weird snap roll. Very slow snaps on this. Go for a little pass, kinda-ish. Sounds good. It's probably got a lot land heavy though. Go for a little fast pass. Six S seems to work. Need a drink. Try not today. There's this nice slow pass. I like how it screams. The scream is cool. Oh, there's my 30-second warning. Oh, yeah, maybe 1 minute warning. Here, get one more beep. There we go, way over above the parking lot, above the hole of doom. Try for a nice landing at least. Oh, maybe not. She wants to blow it up again. And wind picked up. Very floaty plane. Even with the 6S in it. It's heavy. Hey, it's 5+ pounds. Away from the truck, you doobie. Yeah, we'll run it out one more time. I'm gonna take my approaches. I prefer taking approaches from this end. But that'd be with the wind and that'd be terrible. I think I'm just a bit too high coming in. I'm just scared of the poles over this way. Cut the throttle. A little bit of throttle. A little bit